Welcome to Building with the Bird Brains, Episode 3. Today we'll be learning how to create a 3D printed part. The first step is to clean the bed of the 3D printer with water and a sponge to clear previous residue. If there is too much glue on the bed, our parts will become less accurate. After it's been washed, dry the bed with paper towels while only patting it dry. Patting it dry ensures that paper won't fall off onto the bed and stick on it when the glue is added. This can create globs and ruin the part accuracy. After it's completely dry, it's put back into the printer. If we know we're about to print, we put a layer of glue on the bed. If not, we leave it as is. When the bed is ready, acquire a part from CAD and save the file as an STL. After it is saved, go to your specific software for your 3D printer. The first step is to clean the bed of the 3D printer with water and a sponge to clear previous residue. A couple of settings include part infill, which is the density of plastic and air, infill geometry, which is how it prints, and lastly, the angle at which the part is printed at. On this page, you can select how many of the specific part you want to print, or you can add other parts to the same bed. You could directly send the file to the printer online, or you could manually plug in the USB and select the file that you want to print. After you are finished, the part will start. Note that this process is slow. This part takes more than 4 hours. When your settings are ready, click Print. It's important to know that 3D printers are very advanced machinery, and this is just a basic overview. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot about the process of 3D printing.